what if I told you that in 2025, a hacker can lock every single file on your computer without using a single piece of virus software? No Trojan.exe, no shady downloads, just the tools already sitting on your Windows or Mac right now. It's called the $0 ransomware attack. It's the biggest shift in cybercrime we've seen in a decade, and because it's malware-less, your antivirus probably won't even beep. Today on Smart IT Pro, I'm showing you exactly how this works, and why normal people, not just big corporations, are the new #1 target. For years, hackers targeted big banks for millions. But in 2025, two things happened. First, big companies got better at backups. Second, hackers realized that normal people, freelancers, remote workers, and families are soft targets with zero protection. But here's the twist. Modern ransomware is expensive to build. So, hackers found a loophole. Why build a digital lock when they can just use yours? This is the $0 attack. They use living off the land techniques. Use this to stay safe for this new year, 2026. Here is the 2025 playbook. It happens in 3 steps. 1. The entry. They don't send a virus. They send a deepfake email or a text that looks like a login alert. You click, they get your password. Simple. 2. The betrayal. Instead of installing a virus, they use BitLocker on Windows or FileVault on Mac. These are built-in encryption tools meant to protect you. The hacker turns them on, sets a password you don't know, and suddenly, you're locked out of your own drive. 3. The extortion. Because they didn't use malware, your Windows Defender or Norton sees nothing wrong. The system thinks you are the one encrypting the files. Then comes the DM. Pay $500 or the key is deleted. If you want to be a smart IT pro citizen, you need to do these 3 things today. This isn't just advice, it's your 2025 survival kit. Step 1. Check your admin rights. Stop using your admin account for daily browsing. Create a standard user account. If a hacker gets in, they won't have the permission to trigger system-wide encryption. Step 2. The 3-2-1-0 backup rule. 3 copies of data, 2 different media, 1 offsite, and 0, the most important, should be offline. If your backup is always plugged in, the $0 ransomware will encrypt that too. Step 3, hardware keys. In 2025, SMS codes are useless. Use a physical security key or an app-based authenticator. If they can't get past your 2-factor authentication, they can't use your system tools against you. The world of tech is getting more dangerous, but you don't have to be a genius to stay safe. You just have to be proactive. I'm building Smart IT Pro to be the place where we simplify these threats so you can focus on your work, not your security. We are a small community right now, just 22 of us, but we are growing fast. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that subscribe button and join us. It helps the channel reach more people who might be at risk. Question for you. Have you ever seen a suspicious BitLocker or system update screen that didn't feel right? Let me know in the comments and I'll try to help you troubleshoot it. Stay safe, stay smart. I'll see you in the next one.